AI is transforming how people make money online. But most people are still sleeping on these opportunities. Right now, there are AI-powered side hustles that anyone can start with zero technical skills and almost no upfront investment. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 AI-powered side hustles that can generate a real, sustainable income online. And this isn't just theory, I'll break down 1. Exactly how these side hustles work. 2. The best AI tools to use. 3. How to get your first paying customers. 4. And how you can scale them into a full-time business, so stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to start making money online with AI. Let's dive in. First up, we have YouTube automation. Many people think you need to show your face and be on camera to make money on YouTube. But what if I told you that some of the biggest YouTube channels out there never show their face or record their own voice? These are called Faceless YouTube channels, and with AI, you can automate the entire process. Step 1. Choosing a profitable niche. Not all YouTube niches are profitable. If you want to make real money, you need to choose a high-earning niche. Here are some of the best ones. 1. Motivational and success stories. These channels make thousands per month just from ad revenue. 2. Tech and AI trends. With AI growing fast, people love learning about it. 3. Finance and investing. CPM, ad revenue, is super high in this niche. 4. Health and self-improvement. People are always looking for ways to better themselves. Step 2. Use AI to create videos instead of hiring video editors or recording yourself. You can use AI to do everything. Here's how it works. 1. Generate a script. Use ChatGPT to create a compelling video script. 2. Create AI-powered voiceovers. Use Murph AI or 11 Labs to generate a natural-sounding voiceover. 3. Generate the video automatically. Upload the script to Pictory AI, which will match stock footage, add captions, and sync voiceovers. 4. Use Synthesia AI for a virtual presenter. If you want to add a realistic AI avatar as the presenter of your video without filming yourself, use Synthesia AI. 4. It allows you to create videos with a digital presenter in over 120 languages. 5. Edit and upload. Make final tweaks in CapCut or Canva, then upload to YouTube. Pushpin. Try Synthesia AI for free. Click the link in the description to test it out and see how easy it is to create professional videos. Step 3. Monetization. There are 3 main ways to make money from a faceless YouTube channel. 1. YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube pays you for ads. 2. Affiliate marketing. Place links in your video description and earn commissions. 3. Sponsorships. Companies will pay you to feature their products in your videos.
And the best part?
This is passive income. Once a video is up, it keeps making money for years. Now, let's move on to the next AI-powered side hustle. The demand for content writing is massive right now. But most people struggle with writing. That's where AI comes in. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Writesonic, you can generate high-quality written content in seconds. Step 1. What type of content can you sell? I can help you create 1. SEO-optimized blog posts for businesses. 2. Persuasive ad copy for brands. 3. Engaging social media captions. 4. Professional email newsletters. 5. Attention-grabbing product description. Step 2. Where to sell your AI-generated content. Once you have AI writing content for you, you need to find paying clients. Here's where you can list your services. 1. Fiverr. List yourself as an AI-powered content creator. 2. Upwork. Businesses hire writers for blog posts and website copy. 3. LinkedIn. Reach out to business owners directly. Step 3. Scaling to $5,000 plus per month. Once you start landing clients, here's how to scale your income. 1. Offer bulk content packages, 5-10 blog posts per month. 2. Use automation to deliver content faster. 3. Turn your service into a subscription model, where clients pay you monthly for AI-generated content. This is one of the easiest AI side hustles to start because everyone needs content, and AI makes it effortless. Now, let's talk about one of the best ways to make passive income with AI. Third and final side hustle. Most people think you need to be a graphic designer to make money selling logos and digital designs. But with AI, you can create stunning designs in minutes without any prior experience. Step 1. Use AI tools to generate logos and graphics. AI-powered design tools like Looker, Canva, and Designs.ai allow you to create 1. Logos for new businesses. 2. Social media graphics for influencers. 3. YouTube thumbnails and banners. 4. Ebook covers and business cards. Step 2. Where to sell AI-generated designs. You can sell these designs on 1. Fiverr and Upwork, offer logo and branding services. 2. Etsy and Creative Market, sell ready-made logo templates. 3. Shopify or your own website, create a brand selling custom designs. Step 3. Scaling to a profitable business. 1. Offer premium branding packages, logo plus social media kit plus website banner. 2. Use AI to generate designs quickly and take on more clients. 3. Automate the process so you can earn while you sleep. With the right AI tools, you can start making money in days. These are 3 AI side hustles that can start making you money this month. The key is to start taking action. Pick one hustle, use the tools I mentioned, and get started today. If you want to try Synthesia AI for free, click the link in the description and see how easy it is to create videos using an iPresenter. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Let me know in the comments below, which AI side hustle are you going to try first? I'll see you in the next video.